Hey y'all, I want to share with you what is going to be in the first Craft and Collage Club monthly subscription box, or envelope as it were. So these are going to come in a plain craft mailer, which I know is not super exciting, but you can use this to make cards and tags and journals and things. And one of my goals with this is for everything to be usable. I hate getting packages that have a ton of plastic in them, and this has no plastic. Everything is meant to be used. So let's get into it. All right. So let me flip this over here. Let me pull everything out a little bit at a time. Okay. So first is the book. Okay, so this is the one I've been using to play around in and make all the projects for the club. So you'll see that it is pretty pretty cut into, but I think you get an idea of what it looks like. There's so much stuff in here. A coupon in here that you can use in the shop. They will not apply to subscription boxes, but everything else in my shop it'll apply to. And these are all meant to create really cool scraps. So once you cut all of these up, you're gonna get really cool shapes and things to play with. And again, like my intention with this is that everything is usable. And so instead of having all of these white scraps laying around, you have these really fun, cool colors and patterns to play with, and they make really fun little collage pieces at the end. All right, so that's the book and everything else that comes with it. All kinds of stuff in here. All right, so all of my little packages come in these little like glassine-ish paper bags. Again, these make really fun backgrounds. They make really fun things to cut shapes out of and do all kinds of stuff. You'll see on a lot of the cards I made for this this month, like I've used these as backgrounds. So like I said, I want everything to be usable. All right, so these are gonna come with 6 like craft postcards as a base to make your cards. And again, you can use the mailer too if you don't have anything laying around. This is great. All right, it's gonna come with 2 sticker sheets. I picked all my like favorite flowers out of the book and my favorite little pictures and stuff, and put those on these 2 sheets. And these are a matte finish, so you can color and draw on them. They're not glossy, so you can do whatever you want to them. And then you're gonna have 2 envelopes. Again, these can be used as envelopes. They can be put in your journal, or you can cut them apart and use them for backgrounds and things. And this comes with I won't show you all of them, but some die cuts from the set that are also in the book. And the other set comes with frames. I've been having a really good time with putting things in frames, and so that was one of the themes I decided to go with for this first one. I think they're super fun. And again, you can use this envelope once you're done with it. And our last envelope here, no, second last envelope, is some more die cuts. There's some lots of fun little stuff in here, like pom-poms and these little borders and flowers and things. And you've got your ladies in here, and a few papers for background. So you can recreate these. This is to recreate the projects that I've been putting on my YouTube channel, if you've been following along there. And then you get papers. Go along with everything. Y'all can't tell, I like ginghams and polka dot and pink. And lastly, we're making a lot of little teacup themed things with this box. And so you're gonna get some little teacup die cuts, and you can, you know, color all over these. You can use them as a stencil to make more teacups. There's a lot of possibilities with it. And with the printable that will come with it. So every tier, there's going to be 3 different tiers, which I'll share more about next week, but there's going to be 3 tiers. There's the printables tier. So if you're already in the printables subscription, like this is just what you're going to start getting, and then you can upgrade to get the book. And if you want the whole shebang, then you get the whole shebang. And so with the printables, this is an example of one of the things that's going to come with the printables is all these little teacups that, again, you can like print out as many times as you want to. I'm going to share a video on my channel this Thursday, Friday, where I've used these and traced them, and you can see how I made some collage fodder with them. So that's the basics of it for now, and I hope y'all are as excited as I am, and I will be back soon with more details. Bye!